Yo, what's up guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video we're gonna be looking at something that I just recently picked up. So I have an Acer ChromeBook. This device goes in for like about I think 6,000 rand if we're converting it from the dollars. So let's look into it. So on this side, what we're finding is this is a power button here, and then it also has in the another interesting feature is it has a type C. This is for charger and also for data transfer, so you can actually use this port here to charge the laptop as well as to transfer data, and then it still has a normal USB-A which you put in here. This type C is a 3.1 USB, and then this is a 2.0 USB-A, and then it also has a slot for micro SD, so if you want to expand, and then it has an audio jack for your music or headphones. And on the other hand, it has this is a volume up and a volume down button that you use to increase or reduce the volume. It also has another USB-A on the other side, and then it has another type C USB where you can charge or use it for data transfer, and then it has a laptop lock dock where you can actually lock the laptop against using the laptop lock cable. And that's pretty much that you find on the side. So there's nothing behind or any ports, and then there's actually this logo here that says Google Chrome or Chrome whatever, and then it has Acer. And the finish of this, it's more like this shiny material where like you feel like it has been grinded or somebody had to file on it because it's a bit rough. I'm just not sure if it scratches or something, but it feels rough, but it actually has a nice look and feel. And at the bottom it just has two fans that's used for breathing, so it doesn't have that heavy process that requires more air intake and whatsoever. So let's actually look and see how it looks on the inside. So I've already set it up so that I don't waste time on this video. So this is basically how it looks after you have opened it. So it's a fully fledged keyboard that you find in a normal notebook, and it comes with all the functions except for the Windows key, but you can still find your Control and Alt. Don't see a delete here, but I guess there is a way to do that. So I don't think you will find that because this doesn't run Windows. I don't know if there's someone who has ever tried to actually load Windows on this computer. I don't think it would support it. I'm not sure. Maybe we might have to give it a try. But nonetheless, the keyboard looks and feels fine, like a normal notebook, a fully fledged laptop that you can work on and do your daily work. And the specification here says that it comes in with a Webcam EMR pen. So I think we have it because it came in with this pouch. So let's see if we can find in the pen. This is a charger. That's what we find in the box. Where is the pen? Oh, here's the pen. So this is the pen. So already this tells us that that's a touch screen, so we can actually use this pen to either draw something or write instead of typing. So it comes in handy to actually use this. You can actually control and then give different functions instead of having to use your finger to operate the laptop. So another feature says that it comes in with a 10-hour battery life, so which means you get up to 10 hours. I don't know if it's 10 hours on standby or 10 hours as you're using it, so I'll get to tell you guys after I fully use this. But I charged this in the morning and it's been on throughout the day. It's just that I haven't been doing anything on it. And if I look at it here, it has how much battery remaining? It has 80%. So it says 6 hours 53 minutes left right now, as of right now. So I'm not sure what will happen as when I start to use it. And another feature here, it says it has a wide field view webcam. So it has a webcam here. So I believe that the wide field view webcam, it's able to see maybe up to somewhere here, maybe. So if it's 3 or 4 of us looking at this webcam, we'll be able to appear on the picture. So maybe we might need to try it on Teams or Skype for Business. then we'll see how it works, or do just any video call and see how it works. But I believe that's a great feature, considering that if you can cover a lot of people in just a small device like this, that's great. And then another feature they specify here is the USB Type-C, which is a 3.1, and it's also used for data, display, and power. Wow, so you can actually connect this to an external monitor. So you're gonna have to get a USB-C converter to HDMI or D port or your VGA display. I believe maybe it also support like wireless display. I'm not sure about that. We're gonna find out. And then said it comes in with the Google Play Store. That's where you're gonna download your Google applications and all those kind of things. So let's go into the internal specification. So this comes in with a 4 gig memory, and then this is running an Intel Core processor. I'm not sure which number it is, but it's one of the small form factor processor for the small notebooks like this, because this is like comes in a tablet format type of a thing. And then it also has 32 mmC storage. That's 32 gigs mmC storage. It's not that much of a storage considering, well, the files and the things that we do on day-to-day basis, but I believe should be fine. But I'll see after loading a lot of application and getting updates. We're gonna see if that will suffice. But nonetheless, you can actually connect your external drive here. You can also connect your micro SD inside, like I show you on the slot that it has on this side. And the good part about this, you can actually fold it like it's 180, then you can take it to 270, and then you can get it to, and then fully. So now I've fully flipped it, and then it's on a tablet mode, and I'm able to press it, type on it. And then the good part about it, the moment you flip it into this mode, it becomes on the tablet mode, and the keyboard on this side becomes disabled, which means even if I were to move this, it wouldn't do anything. And another good part and the feature about this is I'm able to put it like this, and then I'm able to work on it, type on it while it's sitting like this. And I can also put it like this, and then if I want to show you something, this is the way I'm going to put it down so that the next person can see. And I can also flip it back for me to do like this, and I'll be typing on it, which is quite interesting. And the moment it does this, it actually brings the keyboard on the screen, which I actually like this keyboard, though now it's still on the US standard. But however, I mean, that's all we get. So yeah, that's pretty much about this device. So one thing that I realized that this device came in with actually this kind of a connector. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah. So this is not a normal cable for South African plugs, so this wouldn't fit anywhere. You're gonna have to buy a special plug. But the good thing about it is because I have a lot of this, so which actually a 3-pin plug on this side, which are compatible with the plugs that we have in South Africa. So it's gonna be easier for me to get this thing connected to this. So this is how the actual power brick looks like. I think it's how many watts? Anyway, it doesn't matter, but it's actually Type-C or a Thunderbolt, if I can put it that way. And I can also use my MacBook charger to charge this device, and it works perfectly. So that's pretty much about this device, guys. So this is not for someone who's going to be doing heavy work or heavy task on it. It's for someone who's going to be doing like most of the things that you do on your Android device, which is like web browsing. Actually, let me say most of the applications that are Android friendly, like your Google Chrome, Gmail, YouTube, and then you get Google Docs and all those kind of things. So this is the device that you're gonna have to use it for. But looking at how it responds, I actually like the fact that it's quick to respond, and then you can actually switch between the pages, and then you can just install all the applications that you find on Play Store and free of charge. So that will be it for this video, guys. So make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.